Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss an overview of the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system is the complex network of organs that are responsible for producing egg, secreting sex hormones such as estrogen and progesterone, enabling fertilization between the egg of a female and sperm of a male, supporting fetal development during pregnancy and childbirth. Organs of the female reproductive system are divided into the external genitalia and internal genitalia. First, we will look at the external genitalia, that is also known as vulva. The boundaries of the vulva are formed by large folds of the skin that are labia majora. In between the labia majora, there are smaller folds of the skin that are labia minora. The cleft between the labia minora is the vestibule. There is a small area that corresponds to the penis in a male is clitoris, and it contains various nerve endings and plays important role in sexual pleasure. This is external urethral orifice that is for excreting urine during urination. This is vaginal orifice that is the passageway for a sperm during intercourse and also a site of menstruation. This triangular area between the external genitalia and anus is known as perineum. Now we will see the internal female reproductive organs. There is a pair of oval shaped ovaries that are female gonads and main primary organs of female reproductive system. This is ovarian ligament. Ovaries produce egg and secrete sex hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. When egg is released from the ovaries at ovulation, then it is traveled towards the fallopian tube, that is the next part of female reproductive system. Fallopian tube, also known as uterine tube, is about 10 centimeter long and consists of further parts. Its distal funnel-shaped end is known as infundibulum, and it contains finger-like projections known as embryi. When egg is released from the ovaries at ovulation, then this fimbriae swells and sweeps over the ovaries to receive that egg and then guide this egg towards the fallopian tube. Ampulla is the widest section of the fallopian tube and it is the site where fertilization occurs. Isthmus is the narrower, thick-walled section, and the most proximal section of the fallopian tube is the interstitial part that is connected to the uterus. Main function of the fallopian tube is just to act as a passageway where egg travels from the ovaries towards the uterus. This is uterus and it is the site of implantation and development of fetus if egg is fertilized. It has thick walled muscular layer known as myometrium and innermost thin lining that is endometrium. If egg is not fertilized, then this thin lining of endometrium sheds as menstrual blood known as menstruation. Uterus has three parts. This uppermost dome-shaped part is the fundus. Middle main section of the uterus is the body, and the lowest short section is the cervix that connects the uterus to the vagina at the external os. Cervix is also known as the neck of the uterus. Vagina is the stretchable muscular tube. It contains rugae and its opening is covered by mucous membrane known as hymen. It is incomplete to allow the passage of menstrual blood during menstruation and it is torn away during sexual intercourse. The pH of the vagina is acidic and it is important and prevent infection of underlying reproductive organs. We will discuss all these organs in detail in upcoming lectures. If you found my video helpful, then kindly subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.